Do you want to skyrocket your sales with the power of email marketing? Welcome to a quick, fun-filled guide to leveraging email marketing for boosting your sales. Today, we're diving into some top 5 strategies that can totally transform your email marketing game and create a more engaging, more profitable brand online. From creating compelling content and segmenting your audience to tracking progress, personalizing your emails, and automating your campaigns. So buckle up, grab your devices, and let's get started. Get ready to embark on a journey to a more successful and digitally savvy you. Firstly, let's talk about creating compelling content. Email marketing isn't just about sending out mass emails, it's about engaging your audience with content that resonates with them. Instead of sending out generic sales pitches, try crafting emails that provide value to your customers. Perhaps it's a helpful blog post, an exclusive discount, or a sneak peek at a new product. Remember, content is king. And in the world of email marketing, engaging content is your golden ticket to increased sales. Next, let's talk about segmenting your audience. Not all customers are the same, so why should their emails be? Segmenting your audience allows you to craft targeted emails that speak directly to the needs and interests of different customer groups. For example, you might send a different email to your loyal customers than you would to your new subscribers. By segmenting your audience, you can increase engagement and conversion rates. Now, it's time to get personal. Personalizing your emails can significantly increase open rates and conversions. This could be as simple as including the recipient's name in the subject line, or as complex as sending personalized product recommendations based on their browsing history. Remember, in the world of email marketing, personal touches can go a long way. Let's talk about automating your campaigns. Automation allows you to send the right message to the right person at the right time, without having to manually send each email. This could be a welcome series for new subscribers, a reminder for customers who abandoned their shopping cart, or a thank you email after a purchase. Automation not only saves you time but also helps you nurture relationships with your customers and move them down the sales funnel. Lastly, don't forget to track your progress. Keeping track of your email marketing metrics is crucial for understanding what's working and what's not. This includes open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and more. By tracking these metrics, you can make data-driven decisions and continuously optimize your email marketing strategy for better results. That's our top 5 strategies for using email marketing to boost your sales. From creating compelling content to automating your campaigns, every step matters. Remember to track your progress and don't be afraid to experiment. The journey to email marketing success is not about perfection but progress. Make it a part of your business strategy, not a passing phase. And above all, keep engaging, because at the end of the day, the only bad campaign is the one that didn't happen. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips. Thanks for watching.